The hunger intervention program started with the simple idea that everyone, irrespective of their context, deserves healthy food. So it started as a volunteer-run organization in the 90s when some people would make pack of lunch and then they'll distribute to people facing homelessness on the streets, but also anyone who needed food. We also do educational programs and advocacy to address some of the root causes of hunger. Many of the programs are geared towards low-income families, children, seniors, adults and families. Many of our participants are immigrants and refugees.
Amongst the fairly large population of East African immigrants and refugees, that there was a huge need. We were hearing that there was a lot of isolation, is a lot of programming being offered in Seattle, King County. They weren't offered in the correct languages. They weren't offered in the correct social context. We are valuing just as much the nutritious meal that is offered as the socialization opportunity that is provided that gets seniors out of their houses, interacting with other people, in this particular program, other people from their culture, speaking similar languages.
COVID-19 pandemic, obviously our realities have changed. We cannot do a lot of the programs that we have done the way we have done in the past. We also had to be very innovative and very quick to adapt to the new situations and the new health guidelines, and we are doing a lot more meal deliveries. We are trying different food that stays well in a box. We are trying to do nutrition education in a different way that is not as in-person classes.
Basically started serving 5 times as many meals as we did before the pandemic. In every sense, we're seeing that kids need more food, adults need more access to food, both homeless and housed, just across the board, there is a greater need. The Sun Life funding that we have received will help us continue the East African Food and Fitness Program through these COVID times by continuing to provide meals for East African seniors, helping us to deliver meals, and also helping support some grocery delivery to East African seniors.
It's important for us to cater our programming to this specific population so that they feel welcome and valued in that program.